What is up, you guys? I'm T Daddy, and I'm here with T Daddy Talks, and this is my very first show. I'm finna make some air fried lemon pepper chicken wings. You're gonna need some garlic pepper, you're gonna need some lemon pepper, you're gonna need some black pepper, and you're gonna need you some salt. You're going to put all your seasonings inside your cup, and you're going to shake that little cup up depending on how much seasoning you want. You shake it up in your cup. You're going to need you a flat tray that goes inside of an air fryer, and you're going to cover it with aluminum foil. You're going to get your drumettes, which is your wings, and you're going to lay them on. We're going to lay these drumettes out flat on that pan, on that tray, that air fryer tray that is coated with aluminum foil. You don't have to space them out too far. Like I said, y'all do not have to space them out too far. The air fryer will be on 400 degrees, so it'll cook it all the way through. Like I said, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I am moving pretty slow. But lay all them out on that pan. They should all fit if it's a pan. You get your seasonings, and you season your drumettes, your wings. Make sure that they are separated out evenly, and make sure that you flip them over and season both sides. Season your meat well, y'all, because don't nobody like no less seasoned meat. I know y'all saw me put too much seasoning on that, but put it in your air fryer for 400 degrees, 18 minutes. Make sure y'all do rub that seasoning in, because it will be sitting on top of that meat. When you're done, wash your hands. Before you start, wash your hands. Y'all, please wash your hands. That raw meat will get you sick. Salmonella poisoning. That seasoning does stick to your hands. Once that raw meat touches it, it mixes in together, and I hate it. It just gets all up under your nails and everything. I don't know who else, hate it, but yeah, dry your hands. Use your paper towel. I took it out the air fryer and I stuck it back in there for a little while. For about 10 minutes. And there we go. I got my Asian scene and my ranch dressing. Finna eat them. Y'all listen to that crunch. Me and my girlfriend enjoyed them. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you share. Tell folks about my channel. I'm out.